You trust your supplements to support your health, but what if they're secretly poisoning you? Cheap vitamins and protein powders might be hiding dangerous toxins, banned medications, and heavy metals. Most people have no idea. In this video, we'll uncover what's really inside, and how it could be silently harming your body. Welcome to Levitas. Medications found in supplements. Cheap supplements are often contaminated with banned medications and undeclared pharmaceutical drugs, especially in products promising rapid weight loss, muscle growth, or enhanced performance. One of the most common culprits is sibutramine, a prescription-only weight loss drug banned in many countries due to its risk of heart attack and stroke. Some bodybuilding supplements have been found to contain anabolic steroids, which can disrupt your hormones, damage the liver, and cause long-term reproductive issues. Others include phenolphthalein, a laxative banned for being potentially carcinogenic, and fluoxetine, the active compound in Prozac, hidden in mood or appetite-regulating supplements. These substances can lead to dangerous drug interactions, mood disturbances, cardiac arrhythmias, and seizures, especially if taken without medical supervision. This contamination isn't just accidental, it's sometimes intentional, added to give the illusion of effectiveness. The worst part is these illegal drug compounds often don't appear on the label, meaning you could be dosing unknown meds every day. If you're taking an unregulated, cheap supplement, you may be unknowingly putting your organs, nervous system, and life at risk. Lead. Lead is one of the most concerning heavy metals found in cheap supplements, especially those manufactured in countries with low regulatory standards. It can contaminate both plant-based ingredients and mineral blends, often entering the supply chain through polluted soil, cheap fillers, or poor quality machinery. Even in tiny amounts, lead toxicity builds up in the body over time. It targets your brain, kidneys, nervous system, and blood cells, leading to fatigue, memory problems, headaches, and anemia. In children, it can cause irreversible developmental damage, lower IQ, and behavioral issues. In adults, it raises the risk of high blood pressure, infertility, mood disorders, and even kidney failure. Studies have found dangerous levels of lead in cheap herbal and Ayurvedic supplements, especially those claiming to be natural or ancient remedies. Because lead accumulates silently, many people don't realize they've been poisoned until serious symptoms appear. And no, there is no safe level of lead exposure. It's neurotoxic, persistent, and extremely hard to eliminate once it's in your system. Always check that your supplements are third-party tested for heavy metals, or you could be ingesting a slow-acting poison every day. Mercury. Mercury, another toxic heavy metal, is sometimes found in cheap supplements, especially those containing fish oils, herbal remedies, or traditional Chinese medicines. Like lead, mercury contamination can enter through raw materials or polluted manufacturing environments, and it's almost impossible to detect without specialized lab testing. Mercury exists in several forms, but the most dangerous for humans is methylmercury, a neurotoxin that accumulates in fatty tissues, especially the brain. Chronic exposure leads to tremors, brain fog, anxiety, depression, memory loss, and coordination problems. In severe cases, mercury toxicity causes irreversible neurological damage and kidney dysfunction. Pregnant women and children are especially vulnerable. Mercury crosses the placenta and can permanently harm fetal brain development, increasing the risk of autism, cognitive delays, and motor impairments. Alarmingly, some natural detox products sold online have been found to contain high levels of mercury, marketed under the promise of cleansing the body, while actually poisoning it. If you're using an unregulated fish oil, proprietary blend, or herbal mix from an unreliable source, you could be swallowing mercury-laced toxins under the illusion of getting healthier. Arsenic. Arsenic is a naturally occurring toxic element that finds its way into cheap supplements through contaminated water, soil, or raw plant materials, especially in rice-based products and herbal supplements grown in industrial regions. It can exist in organic and inorganic forms, with inorganic arsenic being the most toxic. Chronic arsenic exposure leads to a long list of health problems, from gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea and vomiting to skin changes, fatigue, and immune suppression. More seriously, arsenic is a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning it is known to cause cancer in humans, specifically of the skin, lungs, liver, and bladder. Long-term exposure has also been linked to diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and neurological deficits. In some traditional medicines, arsenic is intentionally added as a mineral therapy, a practice banned in many countries but still found in regulated imports. What makes arsenic dangerous is its cumulative effect. It builds up silently over time, damaging DNA and disrupting cellular function. You won't feel the damage until it's too late. To avoid arsenic toxicity, avoid cheap supplements that don't come with lab certifications for heavy metal testing. If it's not tested, you can't trust it. Cadmium. Cadmium is another hidden danger lurking in cheap multivitamins, protein powders, and herbal supplements sourced from polluted regions. It's a toxic heavy metal often found in products containing rice, cocoa, or green tea extracts, especially if they're harvested near industrial zones or mining areas. Cadmium accumulates primarily in the kidneys and liver, where it causes long-term organ damage, oxidative stress, and metabolic dysfunction. It's also classified as a probable human carcinogen, linked to prostate, lung, and kidney cancers. Even small doses over time can lead to bone loss, reproductive issues, immune suppression, and increased blood pressure. Unlike lead or mercury, cadmium has a half-life of up to 30 years in the human body. Once it's in, it stays. People with low iron levels, smokers, or vegans consuming high amounts of plant-based protein powders are especially at risk. Many cheap vegan supplements use rice or pea protein that may be contaminated with cadmium. Cadmium doesn't just reduce your vitality, it silently damages your organs and speeds up aging. Without third-party testing, there's no way to tell if your favorite cheap supplement is clean or cadmium-laced. Bacteria and fungi. When quality control is ignored, cheap supplements can become breeding grounds for dangerous bacteria and toxic fungi. Contaminated raw materials, improper storage, and unsanitary manufacturing conditions make it easy for pathogens to thrive in capsules and powders you consume daily. Common culprits include Salmonella, E. coli, and Clostridium species, bacteria that can cause diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and sepsis, especially in immunocompromised individuals. In more severe cases, bacterial contamination can lead to organ failure or death. Even worse are fungal toxins like aflatoxins, which are produced by certain molds found in poorly stored grains, nuts, and herbs. Aflatoxins are potent liver toxins and carcinogens, strongly linked to liver cancer, immune suppression, and DNA damage. Many supplements imported from unregulated factories or stored in humid warehouses may contain invisible mold spores or toxic residues. Just because a supplement looks clean doesn't mean it's safe. Without microbiological testing, there's no guarantee the supplement you take each morning isn't harboring pathogens. If a supplement brand doesn't provide batch testing results, consider it a major red flag. BPAs and BPSs. BPA, or bisphenol A, and BPS, or bisphenol S, are endocrine-disrupting chemicals commonly found in the plastic containers of cheap supplements. These compounds can leach into the supplement powder or liquid, especially when exposed to heat, sunlight, or poor storage conditions. Once ingested, they interfere with hormone regulation, mimicking estrogen and leading to issues like weight gain, infertility, insulin resistance, and increased cancer risk. Some studies also link BPA exposure to mood disorders and thyroid dysfunction. Even BPA-free labels can be misleading if replaced by equally toxic alternatives like BPS. Other common substances in cheap supplements. In addition to the heavy metals and toxins we've covered, cheap supplements often contain artificial dyes, synthetic preservatives, magnesium stearate, titanium dioxide, and harmful solvents used in extraction processes. These additives may cause gut inflammation, allergic reactions, and oxidative stress. Some low-cost supplements even contain inaccurate ingredient amounts, fake fillers, or contaminants not listed on the label. Without third-party testing, there's no guarantee you're getting what's promised, or that it's even safe. To protect your health, prioritize certified brands, transparent labeling, and independent testing over bargain prices. Cheap supplements could be the most expensive mistake you make for your body. In conclusion, cheap supplements often hide banned drugs, heavy metals like lead, mercury, arsenic, and cadmium, and dangerous bacteria, fungi, or hormone disruptors like BPA. These toxins trigger organ failure, neurological damage, hormonal chaos, and even cancer. The scariest part is most of it is undeclared. Without third-party testing, you're blindly consuming toxins every day, believing you're getting healthier while slowly poisoning your brain, organs, and future. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.